Namaskar Mitro. About a year ago, I built an electric skateboard and you guys absolutely loved it. The goal was to make an electric skateboard at an affordable price, but for many people, it was still a bit expensive. So this time, instead of using a costly brushless motor, I am building it with a 775 brush DC motor, which costs just around 300 rupees on Amazon and is still powerful enough to handle the load. These are all the parts required to build it and the total cost comes around $100. This doesn't include the transmitter and receiver I am using for wireless control since they are completely optional. You can simply use a regular servo tester instead. For the design, I have already created the complete CAD model in Fusion 360. Now to bring these parts to life, we could use a 3D printer, but if you don't have one, you can use JLC 3DP. JLC 3DP is one-stop solution for high-quality 3D printing and manufacturing services, offering a wide range of materials including resin, nylon, metal, and more, with prices starting from just $0.3. Whether you are building robotics, RC vehicles, prototypes, custom enclosures, or any other maker project, JLC 3DP can manufacture your parts with excellent accuracy and surface finish. Ordering is very simple. Just upload your 3D model, choose the material and finish you want, and place your order in minutes. A few days later, my parts arrived and the quality was excellent. The dimensions were accurate, the finish looked great, and the parts were ready to use right out of the box. So if you are working on your hardware, robotics or DIY project, be sure to check out JLC 3DP using the link in the description. Now let's begin the assembly. For all the soldering work, I am using my new soldering station from Robo.in, one of the largest robotics store in India. They are also hosting the Arduino Physical AI Challenge India 2026. Build a project with an Arduino Cube board for a chance to win prizes worth up to Rs 2.5 lakhs. You will find the link in the description.
Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you: LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So, if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now, let's get back to the build.
Alright guys, it's working exactly as expected, although the speed is not that good because I am currently using only a 3S LiPo battery. For significantly higher speed, I would recommend using a 4S LiPo battery instead. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for today guys, I'll see you in the next one.